Welcome to Yamaha Phaser 16. Your motorcycle is a powerful machine. Please drive carefully.
Hello YouTube. Today I have a new update for my Yamaha FZ16. The update is nothing but adding a security system bought from Amazon. The box contains 2 sets of keys, 1 control module, an alarm unit and a user manual. The system comes with 4 buttons. First one is a lock button. If you press this button, horn give 1 chirp and the security status is entered in 3 seconds. Second is the unlock button. If you press this button, the signal lights will flash twice and the horn will blow twice. Third one is a power button. Pressing 2 times this button will start the vehicle. Fourth one is a search key. This key is for finding the vehicle. The system comes with 8 wires. The color red is positive, black is negative. Blue is for starter motor relay positive. Orange is for ignition out when you press the remote key power button twice. 2 yellow wires are there, they are for right and left indicators. Pink and gray are for flame out line. Out of these 8 wires, here I'm using only 5 wires, red, black, yellows and orange. Because here I'm not using this like the way it is designed for, so that I modified it work for my needs. In my design, the motorcycle won't start just by turning on the key. For turning on the ignition you need to press the power button on the key remote twice. Circuit diagram is given in the video.
Welcome to Yamaha Phaser 16. Your motorcycle is a powerful machine. Please drive